Hello guys, welcome to Sparking Media once again. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about this online earning platform known as Anchor. Some of you have joined this platform and some of you are here to join this platform. And for those of you who have joined this platform or those of you who have interest in joining this platform, please make sure you are watching this video because there are a lot of negative things which you don't know about this platform. And in this very video, I'm going to be exposing this platform hands down without any compromise. All you need is to pay attention to me, watch this video carefully without skipping any single line. Okay, but before we proceed, guys, my name is Sparking Media. What I do on this channel is all about business. If you're an online hustler or you have interest in making money online, for you not to miss any of my updates, all you need to do is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be among the first person to be notified whenever I release videos on how to make money online with your smartphone or PC laptop. Now, in this very video, we are going to find out if this Anchor platform is actually a legit platform or a scam platform. If you have registered or you have interest in registering, like I said, make sure you watch this video. Now, in this very video, I'll be talking about what is Anchor all about and how does it work and how do you make money from this platform, and then how do you also withdraw money from this platform, and then I'll be talking about if this platform is a legit one or a scam one. All these things you are going to find out in this very video. Now let's get started. As you can see on your screen, we are on the homepage of the platform known as Anchor. Okay, we are on the homepage of this platform now. Now, what is this platform is all about? This platform is an online earning platform which claims that you can actually earn free money simply by participating in some daily task activities, playing of game, watching of TikTok's video, and the rest of them. So that is what this platform is all about. It's an online earning platform which promises you that once you register and you do those tasks, participate in sponsor posts and so many of them, you are going to be earning cool money. And how real is this? That is what you are going to find out in this very video. Make sure you're watching this video, very important. Okay, now how does it work? First of all, for you to start earning on this platform known as Anchor, you have to be a registered member. You are required to be a registered member. And how do you get registered on this platform? It is very, very simple. All you need to do is to go to Google Chrome or any browser you're using at all and search for Anchorit.live, and then once you search for it, it is going to bring you to the homepage like this. And then once it brings you to the homepage like this, the next thing you are going to do is that you are going to purchase their coupon code. Now, Anchor has two packages. They have the silver package and pro packages, and those packages enables you in. And now each of those packages have their own earning structure. Okay, now for you to purchase any of those packages which serve as your one-time registration fee, you have to click on this arrow here, on this three dots here. When you click on it, you will see this place here, vendors. Click on vendors. When you click on vendors, you can see these are the verified vendors on an Anchor platform. So if you message any of them, you can message them to get any of their to get the code from them. Now let me show you guys the breakdown of this platform. Now the registration fee for the silver package is 6,000 naira. That's the registration fee for that one, while the pro package is 8,500 naira. And it doesn't end there. So for you to get access there, you need one of those packages, and each of those packages have their earning structure. Remember, if you register with silver package, it means your earning is going to be small, but if you register with pro package, it means your earning will be higher. So amount you can earn on this platform daily depend on the package you registered with, and also your referral bonus. Now, what are the things you do to earn money on this platform? You refer family and friends to earn. You also play games to earn, and so many of them, and the rest of them play games and watch videos. So that these are the tasks you do on this platform to earn money. Now, how real is this platform? Now, listen to me very attentively. You can be able to withdraw your money once you reach the minimum withdrawal, for those of you who can refer. Okay, that is what this platform is all about. It is a Ponzi scheme investment platform. And now that takes me to tell you guys if it is legit or scam. Is Anchor legit or scam? Well, the answer is Anchor platform. Before I tell you guys if it's legit or scam, how many of you remembered Alicia? For those of you that were scammed by Alicia and Vistalog, this is another Ponzi scheme platform just like Alicia and Vistalog. If we were scammed by Vistalog, this is another platform like Vistalog. This is another platform. If we are scammed by Vistalog, if we are scammed by Alicia, I made video revealing to people that Alicia is a scam. I told people that that platform was a scam, but a lot of people were saying all sort of things at the comment section. I was just laughing. At the end, what happened? Every damn thing I said on that video came to pass, and the same thing is what is going to happen in this video. For those of you who will doubt me, now listen to me very attentively. This platform is basically for those that can refer. Now, when you refer anybody on this platform, if you refer somebody on silver package, you are going to get 5,200 naira. Okay, that's if you refer somebody for silver package. And how much is remaining? 800 naira is remaining from that your 6,000 naira, which means that anybody you introduce to this platform, that 6,000 naira you're using to register, they are going to remove 5,200 naira from that your money and pay to the person that is registering you. And that is why we call this kind of platform Ponzi scheme platform. In fact, any platform that requires you to join with any package, coupon code, they are scam. In summary, they are scam. Please take note of that. I've made a lot of video explaining to people, exposing to people how all this fake earning platform works. The same thing happened to Lenify, Smart Network, Wave Network. Many of them, I have made video concerning those platforms on my channel. If you check this channel, you will see them. I have made videos exposing all these things, and I have taught people how to detect a scam platform. For you to easily detect a scam platform, check for those ones that say buy coupon code. They are scam. Now let me analyze this thing for you guys, how they are sharing your money to the people that bring you to the platform. Now when you register, let's say you're registering with silver package. When you register with silver package, that your 6,000 naira, they are going to remove 5,200 from that money and pay to that person that referred you. For example, let's say I refer you to this platform. My referral bonus is now 5,200 naira. Forget this thing that telling you are earning in dollar. All these things now scam. What happened to Alicia? Those people that register up to today, they cannot cash out. Now listen, that does not mean you will not cash out. You can only withdraw when you have referrals. Take note of that. This site is basically for those that can refer. If you cannot refer and you have joined this platform, my brother and my sister, there is nothing for you. But the truth remains that if you can refer people, yes, you can cash out. That's the gospel truth. If you, with 2 people, you can withdraw your money. If you refer 2 people, now let's say I register you with the pro package, which is 8,500 naira. Now they are going to remove 7,200 naira from that your 8,500 and pay to me. You see it, I'm now your upline. They have paid that money to me, and the remaining change, they are going to remove some of the change, 200 naira, 200 naira, and pay to the vendor. Not only that, they'll also pay 200 naira to the person, the upliner of your upline. They are still going to remove money, 200 naira, and still remove 100 naira and pay. That is how this spillover works. So at the end of the day, the platform will be they will be left with, let's say, 500 naira. 600 naira, 700 naira, that's what they will be left with. And you can't expect them to pay you, those of you performing tasks, with that kind of money. Of course, it is not possible. When I did analysis on Alicia, those that were scammed, some come to me, some message me on WhatsApp and say, boss, if I had watched your video earlier, a lot of people were regretting it. Of course, if I am making my video, I will never tell my followers to join anything scam. In fact, if I am making video and that platform is a legit one, I'm always giving my members assurance, go ahead, permission, go ahead and join. This one is legit. But you see those one that are scam, I will fight it to the last. You see this Anchor platform here, they don't have any means of generating revenue for their user. Rather than using the person money, the person you register, that money, they will use it to pay you. And now you see those people that are their coupon vendors, I see them as agent of scammer. Now what do they do? Let me show you guys something. Come to this place here, you will see top earners. Click on top earners. Now when you click on top earners, you will see that they have people who have made over $2,000, which is about 2 million naira to the, according to the equivalent. You can see this one here, $2,000. You can see this one, 1.6, that's 1.6 million. Now the question you should be asking yourself, is this money they have made that they are in that activities earnings? The answer is no. And all this payment proof you have been seeing, the question you should be asking yourself, is this payment proof that task activity or those activities they are doing? No, the answer is no. If anybody want to introduce you to this platform, the first thing you should ask that person to show you is, show me no referral payment proof. Of course, they will never show you. That's the gospel truth. And if you or even ask them to register you for free, let's say when you withdraw, you will pay the person. Those they are agents, those they are vendors, they will never do so. They will tell you, say, no, instead what they will do, they will give you discount. Instead of 8,000 naira, instead of 8,500, bring 7,500 or bring 8,000. Instead of 6,000, bring 5,500. You see? You see it? They are cheating you. They are scamming you. For those of you who call yourself influencers, promoters of this platform, you are nothing but a scammer. This is nothing but the gospel truth. I know those of you who are watching, some of you promoters will be watching this video. Yes, I call you scammer. You are agent of scammer, because you guys know that this platform can never ever pay those people that cannot refer. Yet you lock up your mind, you sold your conscience, and when you go ahead and register people, you have scammed them. And when they lay curses on you, of course you may not, because you may feel that it is nothing, but at the end of the day, in the nearest future, it will come affecting you. Be asking yourself what is wrong. You will not know that is a result of what you have done in the past. I'm just telling those of you who usually refer people to all these useless investment platforms, any platform, they'll be telling people you buy coupon code. If you are my follower, before you join any platform, come to my DM with the link. I will tell you if it's legit or not. I have been into this online space for a very long time now, and I can confidently tell you a platform that is legit and a platform that is scam. You see this one you are seeing here, this Anchor platform, it is scam 100%. Yes, I am Sparky Media, aka Legit Boss. If I tell you something is scam, that thing is scam. If I tell you something is legit, that thing is legit. That is how it is. If you cannot refer and you have joined this platform, you doing task, playing games, watching video, my brother, my sister, there is nothing for you. That is nothing but the gospel truth. You will play from now to eternity. You will never cash out. The same thing I said to people who did Lenify. If you did Lenify, if you know Lenify, if you can remember that one, I warned people. Do not join. Do not join. Somebody even messaged me asking me how far see this platform will join. I say, okay, I will join on one condition. You are going to register me with your money. When I cash out, I'll pay you. The guy now say, boss, what will be my own gain? I say, but you said the platform is legit now. That is it. The guy blocked me. Yes, and the worst part is that when you try reaching out to those people that refer you to those platforms, they will block you. When you try complaining to them that you are unable to withdraw, you cannot cash out, you cannot do this, the next thing they do, they block you. That is it. And that is the reason why I call them agent of scammers. They are middlemen. They are middlemen. Because the owner of those platforms, the CEO, they use those people to scam you. They get you registered. They tell you, you learn skills, you do this, you do this. They will learn skills, free marketplace to advertise, you do this. All these things has been programmed by a programmers. They use what we call script. They use script to develop all this platform, program it, you log in, you earn, you do this, you earn, you do this, you earn. At the end of the day, when you want to withdraw, you discover that those things on your dashboard, they are not real money, they are actually numbers. You can't withdraw number. It is not possible. Once I register on this platform, just bear it in mind that your money is going directly. They are using your money to pay that person that referred you. That is it. And that is the reason why you see those influencers, they'll be trying everything possible. They'll be writing all kind of motivational things to make sure they convince you. And once they finally convince you and they get you registered, they have used you to cash out. That is nothing but the gospel truth. You'll be doing task now. You'll be doing task. Now when it's time to withdraw, you will not withdraw. That is it. So be wise. If you watch my video finish and you did not learn a lesson, you will never learn again. That is it. I am not bragging, but that is nothing but the truth. I have been into this online space for a very long time. I know those platforms that are scam. You see Anchor, if they are legit, then they should give you free access now. Since when you do task, you earn, you play, you watch video. Because when you watch video, you earn, then they should have a way of generating their own their own commission or their own part of it. So, but no way, they don't have any means of generating revenue. All these things now what? Scam! What is happening to Alicia today? What is happening to the platform? Those people that register, they cannot withdraw. And those ones that register you, they have used you to cash out. Don't allow anybody to use you. Don't allow anybody to use you. Now, if anybody send you a link to join this platform, tell the person to register you with his or her money. So that when you cash out, you pay the person. You will see, they will never agree. They will never agree. They know what they're doing. Of course, I know them now. They call themselves influencers, promoters. They are nothing but agent of scammers. Don't let anyone deceive you. Now this video, now you will see them. They'll be coming to comment section to comment rubbish, and I'll be there to watch. Comment nonsense, I will delete your comment. That is it, because you have been misleading people. For those of you who are calling yourself promoters, making people to lose money online every day, and for those of you who are always joining on this platform, my own advice to you: before you join any platform, don't say you have seen people cash out 500,000 and see people cashing out 200,000. The question you should be asking yourself: is this that activity earnings? You yourself, you know you cannot refer, and you are going to join. And those of you who are referring people to this platform, consider those people you are referring. That you can refer does not mean another person can refer. So consider people. Stop being self-centered person. Stop being you see, all these people, this is what we call how do I even put it, self? They are just selfish, trying to do what? They are just scammed you of your money. You may be saying, hey, this one is my boss, this one is my boss. That's your boss. Is he a legit boss? Is that one sincere? Is that one loyal? Can that one tell you the truth? At the end of the day, now when you cannot withdraw, you message them. The next thing they do, they block your line for life. You can never reach them again. They don't chop your money. Not allow anybody to deceive you. Now the truth that they tell you now like this. Now me be the legit boss. If I come online tell you something, that thing what I tell you now, so it be. You see this platform, for those of you who already register, where you know if you refer, you will never cash out. If you cash out, come to my DM with your proof. You will see. I know what I'm saying. I know if you just come here, come to do video with me, I know they sure. What happened? I talk on the same thing when I talk for Lenify, the same thing Smart Network. Many of them, a miracle. They will tell you will learn skills, so many those and that, all these things now scam. Not allow anybody to deceive you. Be wise. I don't open your eye. Be wise. I've been into this online system for a very long time now. Nobody feel can tell me this one or this one, this one. Me, if I'm a web developer, I know how they run them. If I want to design website now, I go just buy the script, use and run them. So you see, at the end of the day now, you see people, they go come, they say that they earn. All this thing are scam. Now scam. I am not doing this video for you to like me or for you to hate me. This is me. I like being sincere. I like telling people the truth. If you want to take action, it is your own. However, I am not making this video to discourage you from joining this platform or to encourage you to join this platform. But what I am trying to tell you is the truth. Now you know the truth. It is left for you to decide. You decide you want to join. You decide you don't want to join. The decision is all yours. Now your money, no be my money. So that is it. It is good you know the truth. Before you find somebody who tell you the truth, it's hard. Now I have just done that. Good luck to you guys. If you are my follower, you are a subscriber to this channel and you watch this video, please do not join this platform known as Anchor. This is my warning to everyone following me. Okay? But those people who are watching me for the first time, I cannot decide for you. But I have told you the truth. It is left for you to make your own decision. But if I will tell you, do not join if you don't want to lose your money. If you can refer, you are good to go. But if you cannot refer, you are not good to go. Do take note of that. If you have any question, please comment below. The comment section is widely open for you guys. Kindly comment if you have any question, or if you think I'm wrong in this video. If this platform have paid you for no referral for this activity earnings, you play video, you watch this, you do this to earn without referring anybody, comment below, prove us wrong. So that is it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget there is love in sharing. A lot of people, this platform is going viral every day by day. A lot of people don't know that this platform is a scam. You will save people by sharing this video. Use the share button. Spread this video to WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, anywhere you belong at all, any community you belong to at all. Share this video to that place so that people will be wise. This video will create awareness to them so that they will not lose their hard-earned money. Now, this Nigeria is very, very hard. The small money where people don't manage get now, they go come lose them to those cheap internet scammers. Don't fall for these cheap internet scammers. They are just scammers looking for means of survival. Don't fall for them. Don't be a victim. Don't be a victim. Be warned. Thank you for watching this video.